Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thanks a lot for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making the perfect Lebkuchen. Lebkuchen is another German favorite, mostly enjoyed during the festive season. Let's get started. Ingredients: we need 130 grams of blended hazelnut, 130 grams of almonds that is blended, 1 tablespoon of honey, about 20 pieces of 70 millimeters baking wafers, 4 large eggs. We also need 100 grams candied lemon and 100 grams candied orange. We need 120 grams of brown sugar, 70 grams of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and for our spices we need some cardamom powder. We also need mace, anise, coriander, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger powder. We need about 40 grams of butter and 80 grams of dark chocolate. All ingredients are listed in the description box below. So we'll begin by chopping up our candied lemon and candied orange into very tiny pieces. I'm using my food processor for this. If you do not have a food processor around, you can also chop it up with a knife. So this is what we are looking for. Next, we'll be mixing up our blended almonds and blended hazelnut. To this, we'll be adding our spices. Please check the description box for a detailed list of all the spices used for this recipe. We'll mix it up and then add our chopped candied lemon and orange. Mix it very well and then set aside to use later. Next, we'll be separating our egg yolk from our egg white. We'll then pour our egg yolk into a bowl, whisk it up, and then add our brown sugar to this and continue whisking until we get a light, fluffy mixture. We'll then add about 1 tablespoon of honey and continue mixing it. And then add our dry ingredients. We'll then mix everything up. Next, we'll be whisking our egg white with a pinch of salt, and then add it to our Lebkuchen batter. We'll then fold it in gently in about 4 portions. So our Lebkuchen batter is ready. Next, we'll be taking our baking wafers. We take one at a time. Then scoop out about half of my ice cream scoop onto it. Spread it out gently and shape it out with a knife. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet, and kindly hit on the notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Next, we'll be baking this in 180 degrees preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And our Lebkuchen is done. We'll then allow it to cool down completely before proceeding to coat it. For our chocolate coating, chop up your chocolate into tiny pieces and then add the butter and melt it on a stove. Brush up the Lebkuchen with the chocolate and allow it to dry up. With our icing sugar, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of lemon to it, mix it up very well, and then coat our Lebkuchen with it. So we are done. Another simple, easy, and Lecker recipe you can do for your family and friends to enjoy. You can also wrap up some pieces and give it out as a gift. How beautiful our Lebkuchen is. And now to my best part, tasting the food. It's so soft on the inside. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until I come your way again, it's bye!